Yeah, I want to get this. I think it. Domo showed up in the yard today. What does it mean? What does it mean? I have my theories. They're probably all wrong, but yeah, dude. Miracle birds will light the way. But yeah, Domo showed up in the yard. There he is. It's Domo. So Domo Arigato, mysterious forces, aka probably my next door neighbor, was tossed Domo back over the yard. But see, it's over the fence, but it's been in their yard for quite some time, and then all of a sudden today, after such and such event happened yesterday, he's back over here again. I got it on camera, man. Now you can't say it didn't happen. There he is.